Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up or change your profile picture inside your Facebook ads account using Meta Business Suite. This is a very important step, especially if you want your business branding to look clean, professional, and consistent across all your advertising platforms. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages the business or ads account you want to update. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, you should see your main dashboard with all your connected pages and business assets neatly displayed. Now, on the left side, make sure you select the correct business account you want to change the profile picture for. For this example, I'll select mine by simply clicking on it. It's really important to double-check that you're working on the right business, especially if you manage multiple pages or client accounts. Once you've selected your business, look to the left-hand panel and click on the Settings option. This will open up the main settings area where all your business information and account tools are organized. Inside Settings, at the top left corner, you'll see a section labeled Business Account Information. Go ahead and click on that to open the page where your key business details are stored. Now, you'll be taken to a page where you can see details about your business, such as your business name, ID, and of course, your profile picture. On the right side, you'll notice an Edit button. Click on Edit to access the update options. From here, you'll see the option to update your business name, but what we want is the Profile Photo section just below it. Click on the current profile photo, and you'll see an option to upload or change your picture. Select Upload Photo, and now choose any photo from your computer that you want to use as your new profile picture. You can drag and drop the image or simply browse and select it. Once your image is uploaded, click Submit. Try to use a high-quality image, preferably your logo or a clean headshot, because this will be visible across all your ads and Facebook pages. Meta Business Suite will then update your business's profile picture across your connected assets, including your Facebook ads account. Give it a moment. Once it refreshes, your new profile photo should now appear across your business suite and ads manager. And that's it. Your profile picture is now successfully updated on your Facebook ads account through Meta Business Suite. Having the right profile image helps your business look more official, trustworthy, and visually appealing to potential customers. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.